Everyone thought Kenji was poor. 10 years later, those same people asked him one question: when did you become rich? Kenji lived in a tiny apartment in Kyoto. He worked in an ordinary office. His monthly salary was small, but every morning he reminded himself of one simple rule: today's choices create tomorrow's freedom. Most of his co-workers loved showing success. New cars, luxury dinners, expensive vacations. Social media became their stage. But Kenji never joined the competition. Every payday, before paying bills, before buying anything, Kenji always paid one person first: his future self. Only after saving money did he spend the rest. His bicycle was old. His clothes were simple. He never bought things he didn't truly need. Every small expense had a purpose. Every unnecessary purchase was quietly rejected. One afternoon, Kenji met a few of his friends at a small cafe in Kyoto. They were excited to talk about their newest cars, expensive gadgets, and luxury lifestyles. Their smiles grew wider with every purchase they shared. Kenji listened quietly. He smiled, but he never felt the need to impress anyone. While others spent money to look successful, Kenji was building something far more valuable. He understood that true wealth isn't measured by what people can see. It's measured by the freedom you create for your future. And every small decision he made was bringing him one step closer to that freedom. Years quietly passed. Life kept moving. People barely noticed, but small daily decisions were building something invisible. While many people spent their money chasing a better lifestyle, another path was quietly taking shape. Every month, a small amount was saved. A small amount was invested. There was no rush, no need for quick success, just steady progress. Month after month, year after year. Because true wealth is rarely built in dramatic moments. It is built through small decisions, repeated with patience, over a very long time. 10 years later, something extraordinary happened. His investments began paying him. For the first time, working became a choice, not a necessity. An old friend finally broke the silence. "When did you become so wealthy?" A gentle smile appeared. Eyes turned toward the setting sun. The answer came without pride. Not in a single day. Little by little. Day by day. One small decision at a time. Wealth is like planting a tree. The first years, nothing seems to happen. But underground, the roots keep growing. One day, everyone notices the tree. Few remember the seed. Real wealth isn't always visible. Sometimes it grows in complete silence. Year after year, choice after choice, until freedom quietly arrives. So, the next time you see someone living simply, ask yourself, are they actually poor? Or are they building the future everyone else can't yet see?